Dear 5th standard students, last lecture we studied lesson number 4, multiplication and division. We completed multiplication and division also. Today also we are going to solve the problem set number 15. Solve the following and write the quotient and remainder. Okay, आपको क्या लिखना है? ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है और quotient एंड रिमाइंडर लिखना है. क्वेश्चन चैप्टर नंबर 4 मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. प्रॉब्लम सेट नंबर 15. Okay, solve the following. Okay, before that I will explain you again what is the division. Division means making equal parts of a given number or a subtract number repeatedly from a given number. Okay, what is the division? Division means what? Making equal parts of a given number or subtract number repeatedly from a given number. That means division क्या होता है? Is a repeated subtraction. Division is a repeated subtraction. Okay, look here. First sum is that sum number 1, 1284 divided by 32. Last year we also studied this division, but this year we are going to study divide the number 4-digit number or 5-digit number by 2-digit number. अभी हमें 4-digit और 5-digit numbers को 2-digit number से divide करना है. Okay, so it's slightly bigger. Okay, for that how to write this sum? You write like this: 1284 divided by 32. Okay, this is called, what is this? This is a dividend. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Dividend. और this one is 32 is divisor. Okay, 1284 is a dividend divided by 32. 32 को क्या बोलते हैं? Divisor. Divisor. Okay, now look here. First you have to make table of 32. For making division easy, तो आपको डिवीजन इजी करना है तो यू हैव टू मेक द टेबल ऑफ 32. 32 का टेबल कैसे बनाने का है? फिर आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर 32. लुक हियर, 32 1s are 32, 32 2s are. आपको क्या करना है? बस वही नंबर 32 को ऐड करते जाने का. दैट इज 2 2 4 3 3 6. ओके, तो 32 1s are 32, 32 2s are 64. फिर से इसमें यू हैव टू ऐड 32, तो आपको 32 3s मिलेगा. 4 5 6 एंड 3 9. ओके, 3s मिला. आफ्टर दैट फिर अगेन आई ऐड 32, दैट इज 6 7 8 and 9 2s are 12. This is 32 4s are. Understand? 32 1s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Okay, 32 3s are 96, 32 4s are 128. Like this you can add this number 32 in your answer and you will make the table of 32. Like this you can make tables of bigger numbers. Okay, understand? Look here, first one 32 को आपको this number से 1284 divided by 32. So 32 is the divisor. First क्या देखना है? What is this? This is the 2-digit number. तो आपको भी यहाँ पे 2-digit number देखो. 2-digit 1 to 12 है. तो 12 is a smaller number than 32. Yes or no? So what do we do? First we divide this number by 0. 32 zeros are 0. Okay, minus 12 minus 0 is 12, the number itself. When we subtract any number from the given number, the answer will be the number itself. Understand? Now next number is 8. Okay, you You write this number here. 8. Which number is this? 128. So 128 number. This is टेबल ऑफ 32. तो ये 128 नंबर इस नंबर में है क्या? 32 के टेबल में 32 1 जा 32, 32 2 जा 64, 33 3 जा 96, 32 4 जा 128. 128 is there. So 32 4 जा 128. Okay. Minus 8 0, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. Okay. Next number is 4. And 4 here. Okay. तो we cannot subtract 4. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? 0. Understand? तो आपको उधर भी क्या करना है? ऊपर 0. So 0 लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. Okay. 32 0 जा 0. तो answer is 4. Understand? Now, तो like this आपको क्या लिखना? What is your question? Solve the sums following and write the quotient and remainder. आपको इसमें quotient and remainder लिखना है. This is called the remainder. Remainder मतलब जो बचता है remainder. And this answer is called quotient. QUOTIENT, quotient. Okay. So what is your quotient? 40 is the quotient and remainder is 4. अब check your answer. Is it right or wrong? उसके लिए आपको क्या है? एक फॉर्मूला है. What is the formula? Dividend is equal to. Is it dividend? I'm going to write from here for this sum. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Okay, check your answer. Is it right or wrong? The divisor is 32. Multiply quotient is 40 plus remainder is 4. आप ये सॉल्व करो. इसका आंसर कितना आना चाहिए? What is dividend? That is 1284. अगर आप ये सॉल्व करने के बाद आपका आंसर ये नंबर आता है, that means your answer is right. Understand? Okay? Understand or not? Is it easy? For that you must write the table here. टेबल लिखेंगे तो ये आपको और भी आसान हो जाएगा. Look here, another example. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल क्या है? प्रॉब्लम B 5586 divided by 87. Now what is this? Is the dividend and this is the divisor. So 56 divided by 87. Look here first once again. This is 2-digit number, so you have to do 2-digit number is there. This is also small number here. Once again हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 87 से ये नंबर स्मॉल है, so 87 zeros are 0. Okay, what is the answer? 55 minus 0. Answer is 55. Okay, अभी आपको क्या करना है? Write down this 8 here. Another number is 8. What is this? 87 का टेबल. यहाँ पे 87 का टेबल बनाया मैंने. हाँ, how to make tables? Understand how to make? 87 plus 87 करते जाने में you will make the table here. तो 87 के टेबल में there is 5558 is there in your 87 table? No. 87 1 are 87, 87 2 are 174, 3 are 261, 348, 435, 532, 609. So 609 is bigger than this number. So what is the smaller number? 522. तो 522 कौन से नंबर पे? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means 87 6 are 522। अभी सब्सट्रैक्ट माइनस इट, माइनस करेंगे क्या तो क्या आता है 8 minus 2 that is 6, 5 minus 2 that is 3 and 5 minus 5 that is 0. What is the remaining number? 6. Right here 6. तो आंसर आता है 366. Now look at the table. 87 का टेबल जो है यहाँ पे is there 366? 366 है इसमें? No. 366 is there? No. What is the smaller number than this? 366 से small number कौन सा है? That is 348. Because 435 is the bigger number. Which is the small number? That is 348. तो 87 4s are 348. माइनस करो, लिखिए माइनस. That is you can't subtract 8 from the 6. तो आपको सब्सट्रैक्शन तो आता है ना. तो ये सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 16. अब क्या करेंगे, कैरी करेंगे यहाँ पे. तो 16 माइनस 8 इज 6. फिर 1 रिटर्न किया. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 3 minus 3 is 0. The answer is there. Sorry, 16 minus 8 that is 8. Okay, 8. Okay, check your answer, is it right or wrong? So आपको मेरा पता है this is the dividend, this is divisor, what is this quotient and this is remainder. तो चेक कैसे करना है आपको आंसर. कोट डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू dividend is equal to divisor plus multiply quotient quotient plus remainder. Okay, तो लिखो भी divisor is 87 मल्टीप्लाई कोटेंट 64 प्लस रिमाइंडर आता है 80. अगर आप ये सॉल्व करेंगे योर आंसर इज 5586. ओके, ये आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो आपका आंसर ये सब आ जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड. लास्ट वन, लुक हियर. लास्ट सम इज 1207 डिवाइडेड बाय 27. लिखेंगे यहाँ पे 1207 डिवाइडेड बाय 27. ओके, हाँ, दिस इज द डिविडेंड, दिस इज द डिवाइजर. नाउ once again look, this is 2 digit number, so 2 digit number से start करेंगे. what is this? 12. so 12 we cannot subtract divide 12 by 27. so first we write 0. 27 zeros are 0. Your answer is 12 minus 0 is 12. Okay, next number is 0. what is this? 0. write down 0 here. so is 120 the table of 27. ये हमने 27 के टेबल बनाया. कैसे बनाने का आपको पता है, how to make the table. so is there 120 in this table? no. what is the smaller number than this? 108. 135 is bigger number than this. so which number we write? 108. so 108 मतलब 108. that is 27 4s are 108. subtract this number. okay, what is the answer? 120 divided by minus 108, that is 12. you can write this 12. okay, 10 minus 8 to 1 carry करके देंगे तो that is 12. which number is left? 7. which number is that? 7. 127. again 127 is in the table of 27. no. so what is the smaller number? again 108. so 27 4s are 108. subtract 17 minus 8. okay, that is 9. 90. Okay, check your answer. Is it right? How to check your answer? Write down this. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder, और फिर आपका आंसर डिविडेंड जितना आना चाहिए. अंडरस्टैंड? तो इन दिस सम व्हाट इज द quotient? आपको क्या लिखना है? quotient QUOTIENT. quotient व्हाट इज द quotient क्या है? एंड रिमाइंडर. quotient is 44. Remainder is 19. Clear? Okay. Do this again and again in your notebook. Practice it. Okay. Solve this problem set number 15 again and send me on my number.